In previous videos with the Jetwood JC14EP, I've run the stock lithium battery at speeds of up to 48.2 miles an hour. The other run was 47.5 miles an hour. So this thing exceeded the manufacturer's claimed speed of 46 miles an hour. And then I ran a low performance LiPo battery in here, hit 51.5. Today, I'll be running a high performance 3S LiPo. It's a Turnigy Panther 2200 milliamp hour 75C LiPo, and I expect this truck to get up somewhere around 54 miles an hour, maybe even 55 miles an hour, and it's otherwise completely stock. So let's go ahead and get started here, and I'll start off with a stock battery to get a baseline. This speed run spot's my favorite spot, and I'll really be able to get up to full speed. My other spot was just big enough, but we'll see. This may be just long enough to get a little more speed out of it. And let's get started. I have the stock lithium battery in here, and the GPS is reading. Full throttle. And one more run coming back this way. All right, 47.4. Okay, now I have the Turnigy Panther in here. It doesn't fit in the truck quite right, and I did rig up an adapter. I was not ready to switch this over to Dean's yet. I usually run 8mm bullets. They're less restrictive. So for my high performance cars, I run these. So this is gonna add some resistance, but we'll see how fast it goes. Again, I wasn't quite ready to change the connector here. So I'm gonna go ahead and run this adapter. And with the Turnigy 3S LiPo, the GPS is zeroed out and reading. Full throttle. And one more run coming back this way. Steering trim's a little off, but that's all right. Did we beat 51.5, which was my previous best? 53 miles an hour, not quite as fast as I was hoping for, but still a nice improvement on an otherwise stock Jetwood truck. 53 miles an hour, bone stock. And just to show you, here is the Turnigy Panther 3S 2200, my fastest 3S 2200 milliamp hour LiPo that I own. All right, 53 miles an hour on the stock Jetwood 14 scale truck. I'll take it. I don't think I've seen a faster speed for a stock one of these, so that Turnigy battery is quite quick. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll be modifying this truck and getting it much faster in the future, but that's the baseline, and we'll see where we can take it from here. Take care.